Exitujemy go. Siema, z tej strony Blondie, a to jest Life is Strange. Będę grał z powrotem znowu na padzie, więc będzie czego. Dobra, to zaczynamy. To trzeba usunąć ten coś. Start New Game. I zaczynamy. Life is Strange to jest story game that future player, więc trzeba podejmować właściwie decyzje. To jest niełatwe. No ale zobaczymy. O, co to jest?
Where am I? What's happening? Travel stars? How did I get here? And where is here?
Nie wiem, gdzie się znaleźliśmy, ani jak się tu dostaliśmy.
There's the lighthouse. I'll be safe if I can make it there.
Czy musimy iść w prostu w stronę latarni? Co, to jest moja postać? To jest moja postać? O, piękna kobitka. Dobra, nie czas na podglądy. Lighthouse, ok. Świetlisty dom. Ciekawa nazwa. To jest chyba latarnia morska. Coś mi się zdaje. Tylko pytanie, jak się tu dostaliśmy? Czy widziałem, próbowałem nagrać coś. Kurde, widzicie to? O, jaka trąba powietrzna. Ładźcie. Ej, dokąd ona się jestem ciekaw. O cholera, no to nieźle. Z tego co widać to jest najpotężniejsza chyba burza, że nie wiem. O fuck, błyskowice, wszędzie wiatr, deszcz. No wiem, dziewczyno. To jest makabra wtedy. Wow, no. A więc to był tylko sen. Albo co?
But he could be talking about photography, as he likely was.
Okay, I'm in class. Everything's cool. I'm okay.
From light to shadow, from color to chiaroscuro. Now, can you give me an example of a photographer who perfectly captured the human condition in black?
I didn't fall asleep, and that sure didn't feel like a dream. Weird.
Diane, there you go, Victoria. Why aren't you?
Look at this crap. How can I show this to Mr. Jefferson? I can hear the class laughing at me now.
Selfie, czy co?
She saw humanity as tortured, right?
I haven't kept up with my journal as much as I should. If anybody else looked at this, what would they think?
Ładne. Więc ja nie mam czasu z tego wszystkiego. O, Max, Victoria, Kate i Jefferson, ok? Epizod 1, tu coś będzie.
Keep that to yourself. Seriously though, I could frame any one of you in a dark corner and capture you in a moment of desperation. I believe Max has taken what you kids call a selfie. A dumb word for a wonderful photographic tradition. And Max has a gift. Of course, as you all know, the photo portrait has been popular since the early 1800s. Your generation was not the first to use images for selfie expression. Sorry, I couldn't resist. The point remains that the portraiture has always been vitalized by art and photography for as long as it's been around. Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self self-portraits.
I
But
did know, but I kind of forgot.
You either know this or not, Max. Is there anybody here who knows their stuff?
Louis Daguerre was a French painter who created daguerreotypes, a process that gave portraits a sharp reflective style like a mirror. Now you're totally stuck in the retro zone. Sad face.
Very good, Victoria. The Daguerrean process brought out fine detail in people's faces, making them extremely popular from the 1800s onward. The first American daguerreotype self-portrait was done by Robert Cornelius. You can find out all about him in your textbook, or even online. Hey guys, don't forget the deadline to submit a photo in the Everyday Heroes contest. I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted by the art world. It's great exposure, and it can kickstart a career in photography. So Stella and Alyssa, get it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me. Yes, Victoria.
Victoria doesn't waste a second kissing ass. I should have known. She'll have better equipment than Blackwell. I should have known. She'll have better equipment than Blackwell.
Class is turning into photos soon.
Even her school books are gift wrapped. I can't believe she made fun of me in class. What is she, 15 years old? And people laugh. Hi, Kate.
Oh, hi, Max.
I want to represent that.
You have just by participating.
Kate, I hope I didn't embarrass you with my lame answer.
It sucks to be dragged into the spotlight.
Unless you're Victoria.
She's got nothing on you, Max. Well, I should get going.
Yeah, me too. Talk to you later.
Sure.
Looks like somebody was already working on this. Cool. Now I wish I wouldn't have read this. Purge.
we love your porn video. Porn, czyli porno wideo XO Blackwood Academy. Kate. Aha. Ciekawe. Foto. Ciekawe, co tu będzie pisać. Poczekajcie chwilę, tylko sprawdzę, czy nagrywa mi jeszcze. Dobra, to przerwiemy. Nowość. O. Tak dla sprawdzenia, żeby wiecie. Poczekajmy. No.
Excuse me, Mr. Jefferson, can I talk to you for a moment? Yes, excuse you.
No, Victoria. Excuse us. I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
Do you have... I didn't have any time. Cool, I didn't have any time? Czy do I have to? Dobra.
Do I have to? I just don't think it's that big a deal.
Max, you're a better photographer than a liar. Now, I know it's a drag to hear some old dude lecture you, but life won't wait for you to play catch-up. You're young, the world is yours, blah, 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 right? But you do have a gift. You have the fever to take images, to frame the world only the way you envision it. Now, all you need is the courage to share your gift with others. That's what separates the artist from the amateur.
Every time I look at Victoria, I feel like she's talking smack about me. Even in pictures, the forest around here always looks mysterious.
To jest telewizor, okej, to idziemy.
You didn't tell me how cute I looked yet.
I was about to. You always look just
Welcome to the real world.
Cute?
hot.
Then I might send you a special picture.
Because Max wants everybody to see how cute she is.
She plays it so sharp.
I need a serious timeout in the bathroom.
splash water on my face and make sure I don't look like a total loser.
I hate that because it's so fucking boring.
She's so fucking shy.
Life is strange. Ocean nie ma słuchawki. To jest Life is strange.
All of you American girls, it's sad to imagine a world without you. American girls, I'd like to be part of the world around you. Driving a car by the seaside.
Co tu skręcić?
Watching
To
the
jest
world from
A,
the
to jest Life
bright
is strange.
sky.
Bathroom. A woman, okay.
Empty. Good. Nobody can see my meltdown. Except for me.
Oh, sorry. Just
I feel like the universe is taunting me everywhere I go today. It all started with that bizarro dream in class. Am I going crazy?
Ale fajnie śmiesznie wąsek by wyglądała. Dobra.
Just relax. Stop torturing yourself. You have a gift. Fuck it.
Ale przyklnęła.
When a door closes, a window opens. Or something like that. Okay, bro, you don't get a photo op like this every day.
Foto. Koleś włazi do dziewczyńskiej toalety, no ja pierdzielę.
It's cool, Nathan. Don't stress. You're okay, bro. Just count to 3. Don't be scared. You own this school. If I want it, I could blow it up. You're the boss. So what do you want?
I hope you check the perimeter, as my step-ass would say. Now, let's talk business.
I got nothing for you.
Wrong. You got hella cash.
That's my family, not me.
Oh, boo-hoo, poor little rich kid. I know you've been pumping drugs and shit to kids around here. I bet your respectable family would help me out if I went to them. Man, I can see the headlines now.
Leave them out of this bitch.
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're messing around with.
Where'd you get that? What are you doing? Come on, put that thing down.
Ever tell me what to do. I'm so
Nigga,
of people trying
don't
to
ever
control me.
tell
You're
me
going to get in hella
you
more
are
trouble
going
for this
to...
than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho!
Psycho. Ale ją postrzelił, no. Co za psychopata. Kuku, kuku, kuku.
Whoa. What the fuck? How can that be? I was in the bathroom. He shot that poor girl. I held up my hand. And then I was back here.
Likely was. These pieces of time can frame us.
I already heard this lecture.
From light to shadow. From color.
Now Kate is being hassled again. And if Victoria's phone rings, this is real.
Now, can you give me an example of a
Man, I
photographer
cannot
who
believe
perfectly
this.
captured the human condition in black and white?
Okay, if I'm crazy, I might as well go all the way.
Bueller?
Diane.
Can I actually reverse
There
time?
you go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
Because of her images of hopeless faces, you feel like totally haunted by the...
I should rewind.
Kontynuacja. Musimy mieć to udokumentowane. LT, kurde, jest to. To jest co najmniej długie.
I did it.
Can you give
I
me an
actually
example
did
of a photographer who perfectly
I'm a
captured
human
the human
time
condition in
machine.
black and white? Anybody? Bueller?
Max, don't freak out. Not yet.
There you go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
Because of
Keep
her
it together,
images of
Max.
hopeless faces. You feel like totally haunted by the eyes of those sad mothers and children.
She saw
When
humanity.
I took my selfie, Jefferson asked me a question. If he does again, I'll know this is for real.
Kids call a selfie. A dumb word for a wonderful photographic tradition. And Max has a gift.
I know I'm not
Of
dreaming
course,
this.
as you all know, the
It's
photo
real.
portrait has been popular
I can
since
tell.
the early 1800s. Your generation.
So I
was
can go
first
back in time.
images for selfie expression.
What if that girl isn't dead yet?
The point
Can I
remains
save
that the
her?
portraiture has always been a vital aspect of art and photography.
I need to go to the bathroom quickly and check it out.
Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and
He's
clearly
not
want to join the
so.
conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
I'm sorry. I feel sick. May I be excused?
Nice try, Max. But you're not going to get away that easy. We can talk more after class. Is there anybody
Oh,
here
shit.
who knows their stuff?
Jefferson wants to keep me after
Louis Daguerre
class.
was a French painter
And I need
who
time to
created
save that girl.
daguerreotypes, a process that gave portraits a sharp reflective style like a mirror. Now you're totally stuck in the retro zone. Sad face.
Very good, Victoria.
What if I rewind
The
again?
Daguerrean process
and give him the right
brought out
answer.
fine detail in people's faces, making them extremely popular from the 1800s onward.
I mam się cofnąć. O, jeszcze mam się cofnąć. I to wygląda...
Well, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
Y.
The Daguerrean process, invented by a French painter named Louis Daguerre around 1830.
Somebody has been reading as well as posing. Nice work, Max. The Daguerrean process made portraiture hugely popular, mainly because it gave the subjects clear, defined features. You can learn more when you actually finish reading the assigned chapters. Max is so far way ahead of everyone. And guys, don't forget the deadline to submit a photo in the Everyday Heroes contest. I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted by the art world. It's great exposure, and it can kickstart a career in photography. So Stella and Alyssa, get it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry, too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
Max, you are not crazy. You are not dreaming. It's time to be an everyday hero.
Tu jest to, wydałem...
Victoria, you still have to do your homework.
To już to
Even if
było...
you're submitting your
Okej,
photo
to idziemy
for
tu
competition,
dokładnie.
everybody in class is
Jefferson.
turning in a photo, so you see the
Excuse me, Mr. Jefferson, can I talk to you for a moment?
Yes, excuse you.
No, Victoria. Excuse us. I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
I'm not evidently.
Yeah, I'm not sure I have one.
Given your selfie output, I'm sure you must have about 1,000 pics by now.
It'll take a long time to find a good one.
Max, don't wait too long. John Lennon once said that life is what happens while you're busy making other plans. Go on. Don't let me stop you.
Dobrze, panie mistrze Jefferson. Jakby...
Everybody in class is turning in a photo, so you see the dope.
Excuse me, Mr. Jefferson, can I talk to you for a moment?
Yes. Excuse you.
No, Victoria. Excuse us. I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
Y.
I'm on top of it. I think John Lennon once said that life is what happens while you're busy making other plans.
Max, you're on fire today. All the right answers. Good. Make sure you finish working on it by today. I have faith in you.
O. Zaliczyliśmy już, tak powiem, to. No i teraz wyjdziemy i będzie znowu to samo.
I hope I have enough time to get to the bathroom. Please, please. I can't tell
Tu
anybody.
podchodzi,
They'll think I'm
tu
crazy.
gada. Tu wszędzie. A właśnie, czegoś wam jeszcze nie pokazałem.
Daniel, you remember that it's payday?
Look, patrzcie na to.
If I don't hurry to that bathroom, another girl will be in trouble.
Dziewczyna jedna, chyba 22-letnia zaginęła. Więc wiecie.
Okay, Max, retrace every step. I washed my face. I shredded my photo. Then the butterfly flew in, and I took a photo.
Leave them out of this bitch.
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're messing around with.
Where did you get that? What are you doing? Come on, put that thing down.
Tell me what to do.
Wowzer, it's happening.
Look.
I need a hammer to break it open.
We're going to get in hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your punk ass, would they?
Take.
Put that gun away from me, psycho!
Holy shit, I can't let this happen.
Trzeba cofnąć
If I
się.
can reverse time again, I can help her.
Hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody
Ej, a ja mam to.
ever even miss your punk ass, would they? No way.
Don't ever touch me again, freak!
Another shitty day.
That did not happen. This cannot be real. I just saw a girl get shot and then saved
Okej,
her.
idziemy.
What the fuck is going on? Do not freak out.
Okej, dobra, to chyba na tym
Do you
skończymy.
hear that fire alarm? That means you should be outside.
I had to use the bathroom.
Girls always use that excuse.
Excuse for what?
For whatever you're up to, your face is covered in guilt.
The alarm tripped me out.
Then trip on out of here, Missy. Or are you hiding something? Huh?
Thank you, Mr. Madsen. The situation is under control. There's no emergency here. Leave Miss Caulfield alone, and please turn off that alarm since that's your job.
Idziemy teraz do tego pana tylko i będziemy kończyć cały odcinek. Mam nadzieję, że wam się spodobał. Jeśli tak, łapka w górę
Are you
oczywiście.
okay?
I'm just a little worried about my future.
You're sweating pinballs. Is that all you're thinking about? You can always be upfront with me, Max. Or have you done something wrong? Is that it? Well, Max, talk to me.
Report Nathan, hide the trash. X.
I just saw Nathan Prescott waving a gun around in the girls' room.
Nathan Prescott. You sure?
Yes, He was in the bathroom talking to himself with a gun. I saw everything. He was babbling like crazy.
Okay, slow down. Slow down. So now you saw this without him seeing you.
I was hiding behind a stall. I have the right to be there. It's the girls' room.
I know. I just want to be completely clear what happened. Mr. Prescott happens to be from the town's most distinguished family and one of Blackwell's most honored students. So it's hard for me to see him brandishing a weapon in the girls' bathroom. So what happened next?
Then he left. I ran out here wondering what to do. Are you gonna bust him?
This is a serious charge. I'll look into the matter personally. Thank you for bringing it to my...
I do zobaczenia w następnym odcinku. Warto subskrybować kanał, który podam link w opisie. Na moim nowym kanale będzie nowy odcinek zwany będziemy nagrywać piłkę nożną, więc bardzo się cieszę. Będziemy nagrywać z kumplami. Tam później ich przedstawię oczywiście i do zobaczenia w następnym, i to będzie na pewno jutro albo pojutrze, jutro chyba. Więc tak, do zobaczenia w następnych filmach. Na razie.